Alright, I'm inverting the bucket and make the last few cuts. We can probably push it over, but I just like to take a few minutes, invert the bucket, and then I can reach and make a few more cuts. That way, it's super safe. You don't have to worry about getting the machine in there to push it over. And I just prefer to make one more cut and then do everything with one saw, one man, and then everything will be done. So we're able to do that in probably, I don't even know if it took 30 minutes. When you have a bucket truck and the right equipment, I did everything with this Stihl top handle. It's 194T MS. You don't always need the top of the line. You can use just a regular top handle to do most of this work. But see, I wasn't able to reach it, but since I inverted the bucket, now I can way past reach it. It's like not even, like I could reach another probably 6 or 7 feet just by inverting the bucket. Before, this was the farthest I could get with the the bucket the other way. So now I'm past it, so I can cut. I can reach another almost 10 feet. So I'm gonna make another quick cut and be done with this thing. Tree life. There's Josh waiting to clean up. So it does help to invert the bucket sometimes. Make that last couple cuts. Take a few minutes and make it easy on yourself. I can cut all the way down the ground now. Tree life.
Roger came by from Tree Life, took 2 trees down, no time at all, did excellent work, looks fantastic. Thank you, Tree Life.
And Roger's a great guy.
And Roger's an amazing guy.
Thank you. Have a great day.